Welcome to Royalston Wildlife Chronicles. We are pleased to introduce our first episode of Birds of Royalston. In this episode, we cover the video footage for March 2026. We were blown away by the great footage we had managed to get in just 2 days at the Boma water feature. We went through the footage of all the cameras and realized that we were also getting quite a number of clips of birds. As avid birders, and knowing that we have a number of viewers who themselves are avid birders, we made a decision to create a monthly birding episode for Royalston Wildlife Chronicles. To the expert birders, if I have misidentified a bird, please feel free to drop me a note in the comments section. It would be great if you could give the factors leading to this identification so that we can all learn from it. It was great to capture some buzzards at the Village 5 waterhole. A territorial tiff between the Egyptian geese. You will have seen 3 different sightings on 2 cameras of spotted eagle owls, so seeing another one here at the lake wasn't anything out of the ordinary. Having taken the clips away from all the animal clips, we suddenly noticed what could be a pattern. There were 9 sightings on 8 different days on this one camera. Has this owl, if of course it is only one owl, figured out that maybe the red lights that assist the infrared recording are attracting insects and moths, thereby giving it a nice easy snack? We have noticed how it runs around, and on some other videos we have seen it catching insects or moths. Birders, give us your thoughts in the comments section. We would once again like to point out that the footage from the Boma water feature is for 2 days only. Excuse all the Nisa Taraka footage, but I feel one can never get enough of this beautiful bird. We were also thrilled to realize how often the lemon dove was frequenting the water feature. This is such a shy and elusive bird. It was also great to see so many sightings of the tambourine dove. We are pleased that one of Royalston's residents and an avid birder has agreed to contribute videos for the Birds of Royalston episodes. Enjoy this beautiful footage. We hope you enjoyed this first bird episode and look forward to bringing you more. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this.